If you're looking for a brand new gaming laptop and you've never had one before, you might want to consider getting an HP Omen. What's going on, guys? Tony Hannity's here with Expert Zone. I'm the Xbox Master Trainer, and HP has been kind enough to send us out this brand new Omen that's coming out in 2023. And so I haven't seen it yet. Very excited. Let's do this unboxing. I really do like how they package this up. It's just a kind of nice premium experience when you're unpacking this laptop. And oh my gosh, this looks beautiful. Right there says Omen. Construction wise, feels very nice, just a little over 5 pounds if I'm not mistaken. And I do really like this hinge design. This hinge design is to take into account thermal efficiency. So you have this exhaust port on the back, and you also have some exhaust on the side as well as on the bottom here. And it does have this really nice kind of glossy look to it. And it feels really, really nice and solid. Let's talk about the ports. On the right-hand side, you've got your power supply, HDMI, 2 USB Type-A's, and a USB Type-C. And on the left-hand side, an Ethernet connection and another USB Type-A. Now this is perfect because a lot of gaming peripherals use USB Type-A, whether it's an external mouse, another keyboard, or even like microphones, webcams even. So you are set if you want to have a nice streaming or gaming setup from this HP Omen. Okay, now that we've got this on, let me talk to you about what's underneath the hood here. There are actually 2 models of this particular laptop, and this here is the i5 variant. Now, with that, you get the latest gen Intel i5 processor with 512 gigabytes of PCIe SSD storage. So plenty of storage for your favorite games or whatever other kind of media that you might want to store in here. Or you can get the i7, which has a full terabyte of PCIe SSD storage. In addition to that, this has 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and you get a 4050 GeForce RTX graphics card. I mean, I don't know about you, but packing all that into this kind of footprint is extremely impressive. Now, one thing you'll notice with the keyboard itself, it is white on black, and you don't have any number keypad on the right-hand side, but that gives you a lot more space for the keys themselves. So you're not nudging up and fumbling too much with hitting the wrong keys. And with this enormous trackpad, you have enough space for your palms, so you're not gonna nudge up against the control or the alt button with the bottom of your palms as you're playing your favorite game. And visually, one of the most impressive things about this HP Omen is the screen. This is a 16.1 inch anti-glare 250 nit 144 hertz screen. So when you're in that racing sim playing Redfall, you're going to see every single detail. And because this is running Windows 11 out of the box, that means the Xbox app is pre-installed. So who is this for? Well, at the top of the video, I said this is designed with gamers in mind. And that is true. But if you're looking for a productivity machine as well as a gaming laptop, this is wonderful for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft 365 is perfect for those situations. And with the 1 terabyte of cloud storage through OneDrive, you will always have the documents anywhere that you go. If you have any questions or comments, please leave that in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. And make sure you follow us on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We're also on Twitch, and we stream live here on YouTube. And check out expertzone.microsoft.com for more of your retail training needs. So until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Later.